Hey guys, Andrew here from the Injury Rehab Centre. Many of our patients do injuries out on the sporting field and they start to feel really good. They're starting to feel better. They don't have any pain or any discomfort anymore. They're feeling 100%, right? And they go out onto the sporting field and you know what happens? They do that injury all over again, or worse, they do an even worse injury. That's the reason why here at the Injury Rehab Centre, we use the latest assessment technology, including force plates and the movement assessment tool, to be able to measure exactly how you move. Because just because you're feeling 100% doesn't actually mean that you've addressed either the underlying cause or you've even addressed the actual injury enough that it's not going to result in another injury going forward. So even if you are feeling 100%, we don't even want you to be at that point. We want you to be 110% because at the end of the day, you did an injury when you were feeling 100% previously. So if you've suffered an injury, you want to guarantee the best possible outcome. You want to make sure that that injury doesn't come back again and save yourself a lot of time having to go through the whole process all over. Make an appointment here at the Injury Rehab Centre. Go to www.injuryrehab.com.au or give our clinic a call and let us help you get onto the road to feeling better, moving better and performing better.